Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be talking about what is an IP address. That's a protocol by itself, but let's do it. Most addresses you see look like this. Four numbers separated by dots. It's called IPv4. When you browse a website, your computer basically sends a request to that site's server asking for information. For the server to know where to send that info back, like a web page, it needs to know your address. That address is your IP. Okay, guys, so IP address is actually in a format of decimals, which means number from 0 to 9. And then you have your binaries, which is basically 0 and 1. That's all it can be, on and off, 0 and 1. That's binary, remember that. On the topic of converting from binary to decimal, it's such an easy task, you won't believe it. Right here, I put in a demonstration of how you do it. Every one of these are octates. You have 4 of them. So guys, here I put in an example of an IP address in decimal and its translation next to binary. So 2 types of IP addresses, public and private. The ones you see on your LAN, on your local area network, are private, the one you don't go into the internet with. So you have your public addresses. For an example, if you go into What's My IP on Google, you can see your public IP address given to you by your ISP. So guys, for commands, what you need to know is, okay guys, that's it for today. We learned about IP address. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.